Every moment feels like one. Every breeze begins to play, like a dream that wants to stay.
Through the wind I hear your name. Every heartbeat feels the same. In your smile I see the light, shining warm and shining bright.
Every step we take as one
feels like dancing in the sun.
Loving golden fields tonight, dancing in the sunset light. Every dream begins to grow, where the warm winds softly blow.
Like the sky so wide and free, you are everything to me. In your arms I find my way, every night and every day. Soft like love we understand. Every leaf begins to sing, like a song of everything.
Through the fields we walk as one, underneath the fading sun.
In your eyes I see my home, never will I be alone.
Stay with me in golden light,
Hold me close through day and night.
through the wind and through the sky. Love will never say goodbye. Loving golden fields tonight, shining in the fading light. Every heartbeat feels so true, every road leads back to you.
Soft as every whispered sigh, every drop begins to sing when your love touches my skin.
Through the storm I feel you near, every sound becomes so clear, like the rhythm of the rain. Your love flows inside my vein.
Every drop that falls tonight shines like silver in the light.
Love in the rain tonight, dancing in silver light. Every heartbeat feels so new, every dream begins with you.
Through the thunder and the sky, your sweet voice is always nigh. Like the rain that never ends, you're my lover and my friend. Listen to the gentle sound, raindrops falling all around. Every whisper that they bring feels like angels learning love to sing.
Through the clouds the moon appears, washing soft softly all our fears. In your eyes the night is bright,
like 1,000 stars in flight. Stay with me beneath the rain.
let our hearts forget.
Every storm will fade away.
Love will guide us through the day. Love in the rain tonight, shining in the city light. Every heartbeat feels so true, every road leads back to you.
Through the thunder and the sky, our two souls will always fly, like the rain that softly falls.
Love forever hears our call. In the quiet before dawn, when the sea forgets its name, I feel your breath in the air, calling softly, calling mine. I was drifting out of time, chasing shadows I couldn't hold. Then your voice became my anchor in a world of fading gold.
I don't promise perfect days, I don't swear the sky won't fall,
but I'll stand against the silence if the night takes it all. Beyond the tide, beyond the fear, I find you in every year. No distance wide, no breaking wave could ever steal the love we say. Beyond the dark, beyond goodbye, two hearts learning how to fly. If the world turns cold tonight, we survive. Beyond the tide,
I've seen storms with open eyes, heard the thunder call my name. Every road I ever walked led me back into your flame. When the ground begins to shake and the stars fall out of line, I will be a steady ground. You will always be my side. If the night forgets our names, if the light refuses dawn, I will carry all your fears till the fear itself is gone. Beyond the tide, beyond the fear, I find you in every year. No distance wide, no breaking wave could ever steal the love we say. Beyond the dark, beyond goodbye, two hearts learning how to fly. If the world turns cold tonight, we survive. Beyond the tide, if the sea takes the shore away, I'll still hear your voice love doesn't fade. It learns how to breathe when hope is afraid. Always inside.